Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many people face when using their devices for an extended period of time. The issue at hand is the relentless buildup of temporary files that can clog up your system and slow down its performance. But fear not, because we have a solution that will help you clear out those pesky files and get your device running smoothly once again. The solution to this problem lies in utilizing a simple yet effective method. By clearing the temporary files on your device, you can free up valuable space and improve its overall performance. This can be done manually by navigating to the temporary files folder on your system and deleting the unneeded files. Alternatively, you can use specialized software that automates the process for you, making it quick and hassle-free. Whichever method you choose, regularly clearing out temporary files is key to maintaining a healthy and efficient device. In summary, the key to keeping your device running smoothly is to regularly clear out temporary files that can accumulate over time. By doing so, you'll not only free up valuable storage space, but also improve your device's performance. So go ahead, give your system a little spring cleaning, and enjoy a faster and more efficient user experience. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below with your favorite tech-related joke. Thanks for watching.